The transparent bucket volcanic eruption experiment is an interesting experiment to watch, and the materials required are actually affordable and they are very simple. You can use this to entertain your guests in graduation ceremony by science students. So let us see the procedures. They are very simple. Happy watching. Consider subscribing if you have not subscribed.
You can do this at home. This bucket, you can afford it. It's transparent so that you can see how the solution moves from it. So over here we have hydrogen peroxide, which is about 30%. You have to be very careful with this hydrogen peroxide because you have reactive oxygen, and definitely it will not joke with you if it touches you. This is unlike pharmaceutical hydrogen peroxide. This is concentrated, so that's the only danger. You have to be very careful with it. Amazingly, I discovered that some of the powerful oxidizing agents like the potassium tetraoxomanganese 7 and potassium heptaoxodichromate 6, like you can see here, this particular one is very much good. This one doesn't require you adding any color. This is the catalyst. It will catalyze the decomposition of this hydrogen peroxide faster. And instead of using washing soap, over here what I have is the linear alkyl benzene sulfonoate, that's the labs, the reactive ingredients you use in that your detergent. So this time around, this one will give you a more better and a fascinating and interesting result. I dissolved it in water to get a solution. You see, it is foaming on its own. This is the real foaming agent. That is what people call it actually. So, and again, to make the reaction so interesting and fast, I also discovered that hot water will serve us very well. So I will go and get the hot water. Right now it is boiling over there in the laboratory. I'll just get a hot water, not extremely hot, but about 60 degrees will be okay for the water I will use, because increase in temperature increases the rate of reaction. Remember, this experiment is now done by a chemist, so you'll be learning the science behind that.
Now I'm good to go. Everything is ready. Here is my warm water and here is the potassium dichromate. I'll add it direct, about 50 grams of it, into the measured volume of hydrogen peroxide, which I've added the labs, the linear alkyl benzene sulfonoate. It turns brown. Then I'll follow it up by the warm water and the reaction starts up immediately. This is very nice and majestic to watch. So let's go enjoy the volcanic eruption. Okay, this is the full footage of the experiment. Remember, this is Her Majesty Easy World Science Channel. We educate and we also entertain you with science, so you can find useful tutorials, science made easy tutorials on chemistry, biology, physics and mathematics here on this channel. So we have a lot of things to offer you in science, so stay subscribed and share this video. Then the science behind this is just the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide and holding the gas released within the foam formed by the linear alkyl benzene sulfonoate, and then the warm water is to increase the rate of reaction. If you make the water hotter, the rate will be higher. It might go out of control, like if you use 100 degrees. Thank you.